Indian Economy, Large and Small Scale Industries in India, Part 2, presented by K. Hemlata, First BCom A, K.C. Kasnaru College of Arts and Science. Content: Small Scale Industries, Manufacturing Sector Investment Limit, Role of Small Scale Sector, Support System, Production Reservation, Skill India. Small Scale Industries, these are of two kinds: manufacturing, services. Manufacturing Sector Investment Limit: Micro enterprises up to 25 lakhs, small enterprises 25 lakhs to 5 crores, medium enterprises 5 crores to 10 crores. Service sector investment: micro enterprises up to 10 lakhs, small enterprises 10 lakhs to 2 crores, medium enterprises 2 crores to 5 crores. Role of small scale sector: contributes 8% of country's GDP. 45% of manufacturing output of India is from this sector. Contributes 45% to India's total exports. Produces 8,000 value added products. Employs 40% of workforce in India. Maintains a constant growth rate of 10% annually. Startup India, aiming at promotion of bank finance for startup ventures to encourage small scale sectors. Meet mainly for employment generation. Under this, micro units are refinanced by new institution Madura, Micro Unit Development and Refinance Agency, bank with refinance fund of $200 billion. It is named in rural vision as Deen Dayal Upadhyay Swani Yojana. Problems of small scale sector: finance enterprises are forced to borrow from money lenders at high rate of interest as institutional financial is not available due to their lack of creditworthiness. In competition with large scale sector, this sector fails to garner adequate quality raw materials. Underutilization of capacity to the extent of 40 to 50%. Not having information about changing technologies and consumer tastes. Bottlenecks of infrastructure like power, transportation, lack of network facility. Lack of skilled manpower. Managerial indicates like demand version, aptitude, lack of training. Poor project planning. Support system: Trade Fair Authority of India, State Trading Corporation, National Small Industries Corporation help in selling the products of this sector in domestic and export markets. Small Scale Industry Development Corporation of India provides cheap finance. Nationalized commercial banks are supposed to extend credit facility. Product reservation. Food and allied industries: pickle and chutney, bread, mustard oil, groundnut oil, etc. Wooden products, wooden furniture and fixtures. Paper product, stationery, thermoplastic products, PVC pipes, fittings for PVC pipes. Chemical products: wax candles, safety matches, fireworks, agarbattis. Glass and ceramics: glass bangles, mechanical engineers, steel almirah, rolling shutters, steel chair, steel furniture, domestic steel utilities. Skill India, a campaign launched by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi on July 15, 2015, aiming to train youth in different skills. It includes initiatives like Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana and the Skill Loan Scheme through National Skill Development Corporation. Create a hallmark called Rural India Skill, so as a standardized and certified rural skill beneficial for small scale sector. Thank you.